Hello everyone. Today we're gonna make a quick comparison between Huawei Nova 10 Pro and Huawei Mate 50 Pro, which is recently released or launched in the market. Actually, both phones are released in 2022, but Huawei Nova 10 Pro was released on July, and Huawei Mate 50 Pro was released on September 2022. Plus, also, if we'll talk about the dimension here, both phones are almost the same sizes. So, if you'll talk about the height, so Huawei Nova 10 Pro comes with 164 mm uh, the height, and here Huawei Mate 50 Pro comes with 162. And if we talk about the depth, so Huawei Nova 10 Pro comes with 75.5, but Huawei Nova 10 Pro comes with 74.5. So if we talk about the thickness, Huawei Nova 10 Pro comes here with 7.9 mm thickness, and Huawei Nova 10 Pro comes with 8.5 mm thickness. So in terms of slim body, so Huawei Nova 10 Pro comes with more slim body than Huawei Mate 50 Pro, and the height almost both phones are the same, and depth we have Huawei Nova 10 Pro is a little bit more wider. And if we talk about the screen here, we have Nova 10 Pro. It comes with 6.78-inch screen, which comes with the OLED screen, and the Huawei Mate 50 Pro. It comes with 6.7-inch. So Huawei Nova 10 Pro is slightly bigger in terms of screen size. And both phones are coming with 120 hertz refresh rate. So for gaming or browsing your phone, so both phones will give you the same experience. If we talk about the resolution here, so Huawei Nova 10 Pro it comes with 1200 by 2652, and Huawei Mate 50 Pro comes with 1212 by 2616, and the pixel per inch. So Huawei Nova 10 Pro comes here with 429 pixel per inch, but Huawei Mate 50 Pro it comes with 428 pixel per inch. So in terms of resolution and pixel per inch, Huawei Nova 10 Pro comes, it's almost the same, but Huawei Nova 10 Pro slightly better in terms of resolution. And if we talk about the software, so Huawei Nova 10 Pro comes with the EMUI 12, but Huawei Mate 50 Pro it comes with the EMUI 13. So in terms of software, Huawei Mate 50 Pro comes with the latest software from Huawei, which is EMUI 13, but here is 12. And both phones are in 4G, it doesn't support Google Play services, so they are running their own software with their own app gallery, which you can use it for the application. So if we'll talk about the processor here, so Huawei Nova 10 Pro comes with the Snapdragon 778 4G, but Huawei Mate 50 Pro comes with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 4G as well. And in terms of the storage, Huawei Nova 10 Pro comes with 256 gigabyte of storage and 8 gigabyte of RAM, but Huawei Mate 50 Pro comes with 256 as well with 8 GB of RAM in Huawei Mate 50 Pro. And now if we'll talk about the camera setup here, so with Huawei Nova 10 Pro, we have the main camera which is 50 megapixel, and we have the ultra wide angle which is 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel for depth camera. But Huawei Mate 50 Pro it comes with the 50 megapixel the main camera and 64 megapixel telephoto, which it has zoom up to 100 times zoom, and it has also the 13 megapixel of ultra wide angle. And the zoom range in Huawei Nova 10 Pro, it goes up to 10 times zoom only. So here it goes up to 100 times zoom, and here 10 times zoom. And for sure, Huawei Mate 50 Pro comes with the X-Mage camera sensor, which is a new sensor or new camera from Huawei. And the Nova 10 Pro comes with the RYYB sensor, which is good. But comparing to the Mate 50 Pro, Mate 50 Pro is much better in terms of the photo quality, even the video record. So, and now we are going to compare the camera in both phones. The settings are the same. So first we'll just go to the photo. This is the Nova 10 Pro. And now we will try with the Huawei Mate 50 Pro. Even the video also will try. And now we'll try the video as well in the Nova 10 Pro. And moving to the battery right now, Huawei Nova 10 Pro, it comes with 4500 milliampere battery with 100 watt super fast charging from Huawei. And Huawei Mate 50 Pro, it comes with 4700 milliampere battery with 66 watt super fast charging. But Huawei Mate 50 Pro, it supports the wireless charging up to 50 watts and 5 watt reverse wireless charging. But Huawei Nova 10 Pro, it doesn't support the wireless charging. And in terms of colors, so we have Huawei Nova 10 Pro, it comes in two colors. We have the silver and the black as well, with a little bit glittery in the back side with the lights. You can see here like little bit glittery, as you can see. And Huawei Mate 50 Pro, it comes in three colors. We have the black, silver, and orange as well. So the black and silver, it comes with 256 gigabyte of storage. But the orange one, the only one, it comes with 512 gigabyte of storage. But the other specs are the same with the other two. So that's it for our video, guys. If you like it, please just subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thanks for watching, and until next time.